In previous video, we have completed the explanation of lesson number 21. Now today we are doing the comprehension of that lesson. Comprehension, answer the following question in about 25 words. Question number 1. Explain, thou hast made me endless, such is thy pleasure. This frail vessel thou emptiest again and again, and fillest it ever with fresh life. Answer is, human soul is endless. The body is subject to decay and change like a weak vessel. The immortal soul changes the body again and again and fills it with fresh life. Thus, human soul transmigrate from one body to the other. Question number 2. What does this little fluid of a reed stand for? And who carries it over hills and dales and breathes through it eternally new melodies? Answer. This little fluid of a reed stands for human body. God carries it over hills and dales and breathes through it eternally new melodies. Question number 3. What does the poet mean by utterance ineffable and how is it born in his heart? Answer. Utterance ineffable means that the tunes produced by human heart are indescribable. These tunes take birth in human heart when it is touched by God's soothing and inspiring hands. Question number 4. With what wish does the poet conclude the songs of Gitanjali? Answer. The poet wishes that he may sing all his songs in God's praise. May his entire life return to its eternal home as the birds return to their nest in the night. Question number 5. What images does the poet use to express his final voyage to its eternal abode in the last verse of Gitanjali? Answer. The poet uses the image of a flock of cranes. The birds go on singing and flying from one place to the other the whole day, but they return to their nest in the night. The poet too wishes to return to his eternal home in the end of his life. Students, question number B. Answer the following questions in about 50 words. Question number 1 is, Gitanjali begins in the statement, thou hast made me endless, such is thy pleasure. It ends with the Jiva's voyage to its eternal abode. The wheel has come full circle. Explain. Answer. Human soul is immortal. It is made immortal by God's pleasure. One who takes birth has to die, and the one who dies has to return to the earth again. Thus, there is a cycle which always remains in process. The soul transmigrate from one body to the other. It continues its journey till its circle is full and it reaches its eternal home. That is the home of God. This is a stage of salvation which the soul becomes free from the cycle of rebirth. Question number 2. Tagore uses images from Indian mythology and the world of nature to express his longings for reunion with God. Explain. Answer. To express his longings for reunion with God, Tagore uses the image of a rain cloud bowing down on earth with the weight of water. In the same way, the poet wishes to fall into the feet of God. He wishes to sing in praise of God for whole of his life. In the end of his life, he wishes to return to its eternal home. That is, the God's place as the birds that move from one place to other the whole day, but during the night return to their mountain nest. So here students, we complete our comprehension question number A and B. So you have to write it in your notebook and learn it.